What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we're going to be running the Acme Barbarian NXL. It's got a Dragon STS .28 motor in. Filming this after I've just ran it. It needs a bit of a tune on the low end, a tiny bit, Richmond. The right side tyre needs re-gluing. That's about it guys, it ran pretty good. I didn't want to stop and tune it again guys. I didn't have much fuel in it. Anyway guys, stay tuned for the running video. It'll be starting soon. It's a tiny bit lean on the low end guys, but I'm not going to stop it now.
Bit lean in the low end guys, but it's running now, so I'm not going to stop it again. This is the first one of this engine in God knows how long guys. Got really bad tyre ballooning on the front wheels. I think it's the right tyre from me now guys, coming off its rim a bit as you can see. Have to glue that back on. Almost out of fuel guys. the low end, guys, but other than that, it was a successful run. Started really easy. It's a really big truck, really like it. So guys, it'd be much appreciated if you could give me a massive thumbs up and subscribe. We'll get a better tune on this next time I bring it out, guys. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.